Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, let's look at the report module in Zoho Expense and why it's one of the most important features for managing business expenses. So, what's the purpose of an expense report? In Zoho Expense, reports help you group multiple related expenses into one organized submission, make approvals faster and simpler, catch policy violations and missing receipts, ensure accurate reimbursement, and sync everything with accounting tools like Zoho Books, QuickBooks, etc. In short, reports keep your expense process structured, compliant, and efficient. Creating a report is easy. Go to Reports, click on New Report, provide the title, business purpose, duration of the report. Then you can also attach the trip in Zoho Expenses. Click on Save to create a new report. Then you can add the expenses, claim advances and refunds for the expense. Once all these are added, click on Submit to the higher authority for approval of this report. As you can see, while creating the report, your reports will be either in draft status or approved, rejected, reimbursed, so you always know where your claim stands. And that's the report module in Zoho Expense. Hope you all understood. See you in the next video. Thank you.